grout in wet and high traffic areas becomes so discoloured and unsightly, despite regular mopping and cleaning. Cementitious grout, if not sealed, tends to be porous and can stain. It is very difficult to remove these stains as they are rooted deep in the grout pores, and often the best course of action is to re-grout and seal the area. This video, brought to you by TAL, will walk you through the step-by-step process of removing and replacing grout in a shower. It is important to allow sufficient time to complete this project. Over and above the preparation time, allow for at least 24 to 48 hours for the product to cure sufficiently. If in doubt, call in a professional. The recommended tools to ensure the best possible results are protective gloves, goggles, dust mask and knee pads, a small chisel and hammer, a grout rake, grout of your chosen colour, TAL bond, mechanical mixer, mixing bucket, a trowel, a grout squeegee, dry cloth for cleaning, grouting cleaning sponge, a broom, a vacuum cleaner and grout sealer. Bear in mind that it may not be possible to find an exact match to your existing grout. For uniformity, it may be advisable to re-grout the entire area. Remove the existing grout with a grout rake available from tiling retailers. Rub the tooth blade back and forth in the middle of the grout joint until it is worn all the way to the substrate. Clean up the edges of the tiles by chipping out any remaining grout using a small chisel and hammer. Be careful to ensure that the edges of the adjacent tiles are not damaged or chipped during this process. To remove all dust and debris from between the joints, the area should be thoroughly swept, or preferably vacuumed. Make sure the surface is clean, dry and free from all traces of dust and loose particles before applying grout. Add the grout to the stipulated amount of clean, cool water while mixing. As we are grouting a wet area, we are replacing the water in the mix with TAL bond. This is a latex additive that improves the water resistance, flexibility and bond strength of the grout. Using a mechanical mixer, add TAL wall and floor grout to the liquid. Mix well to form a creamy, lump-free consistency. Let the mixture stand for 3 minutes, then mix again. Use the mix within an hour and never add more liquid to a grout mixture that has been left standing for too long, as this will affect its integrity and performance. Apply the grout with a grout squeegee, approximately 1 square meter at a time, filling the joints completely to avoid air pockets or voids in the grout. Wipe off excess grout before it dries. This is particularly important in this application where a latex additive has been used. The sponge must be frequently rinsed in clean water and should have rounded corners to avoid gouging out the grout. Allow the grout to dry for 24 hours and then polish the tiles with a clean, dry cloth. Be sure to clean your tools before the grout hardens. Seal the grout joints in the wet or green state with a grout sealer to enhance water resistance. TAL grout sealer is specially designed to seal grout joints both in the green and cured states. At this stage, it is also important to ensure there is no residual dirt or dust on the grout joint. The sealer's residual film dries clear and does not discolour the grout or tiles. We recommend that you reseal the joints twice a year in heavy usage areas, and that you clean the tiles with a pH neutral to mild alkaline cleaner. Finally, seal the perimeter joints with a suitable silicone sealer. Now you're done. Wait 48 hours before using the shower or subjecting the newly applied grout to wet washing or other cleaning procedures. TAL wall and floor grout is available in 2 and 5 kg packs, and TAL bond is available in liquid or powder format from leading tile merchants and home improvement retailers. For more information, visit www.tal.co.za.